I was working in Cisco, and then I suddenly met this girl in a team outing. तब तक मुझे पता भी नहीं था, so हुई सुरभि. The point of coincidence was where we both started working on the same project, जहाँ पे मैं उसका lead था. So when I started mentoring her or taking lead on some of those technical things while I was doing the work, तो थोड़ा एक level of sort of friendship बन गया था, एक level of comfort आ गई थी तब तक. So we were like feeling good about each other, and there were some good vibes going on between us. So that's when we thought, we should start dating each other.
Like the knight in the shining armor that who came into my life, and my life kind of changed.
I think the best part about me and Surbhi is while we love each other, हम लोग अपने घर वालों को भी इक्वल इतना इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं, and that's the best part about
सीता कल्याण वैभोग में राम कल्याण वैभोग शुभम
So he has always been there with me, and we have been trying to become a bridge between our parents and the different cultures.
वहाँ का जीवन बड़ा कठिन है, बाल नहीं रख सकते आप।
नहीं, बाल नहीं रख सकते।
बाल नहीं रख सकते, इतनी बड़ी टी कटनी पड़ेगी आपको। ये स्टाइल नहीं चलेगा, ये फ्रेंच कट नहीं चलेगा। नहीं चलेगा।
सोच रहा हूँ, धीरे-धीरे सोच रहा हूँ अभी। और।
राम कल्याण वैभोग దూరం తరుగుతుంటే గారం పెరుగుతుంటే వనికే చేతులకు గాసుల చప్పుడు చప్పున ఆపుకొని గడేగ మరిచిన తలుపే వేయండని సైగడు తెలిపే క్షణాలిక కరిగిపోవా सीता कल्याण वैभोग राम कल्याण.
Usually when you get married to someone, right, the qualities that you want to see in your partner is मतलब जहाँ पे आप बैलेंस ढूंढना चाहते हो, मतलब you don't want the same best qualities that you have in your partner as well. I mean है तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं भी है तो चलेगा, बट what I personally look for is जो मेरे में कमियां हैं वो पूरी कर दे वो, and that's what Surabhi is. You know, when I found this quality in between this relationship, right, so I think that's where the journey started.
Happy married